Hello Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Aries. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Anong nangyayari sa inyong love relationship or romantic situation? Aries. Aries. Siguro yung person ninyo is bored or namimiss kayo. Okay, lagi kang iniisip. Okay. Siguro gusto niyang buhayin or may gusto siyang express na feelings, special feelings sa inyo. Gusto niya makipagkita, makipag-communicate sa inyo. Okay. Okay. So, Aries, maybe parang nanggaling kayo sa hindi magandang relasyon. Okay, you are heartbroken before and now you are healing. Yeah. Parang binibigyan nyo ng pansin ng inyong sarili ngayon. Self-love, self-care. Okay, King of Pentacles. You are protective of yourself. Parang wise na kayo ngayon sa inyong, most especially in love. About love or about relationship. Okay? Yeah, parang naging smart and wise na kayo ngayon sa inyong mga desisyon or sa mga dealings nyo with the opposite sex or sa isang tao. Okay? Or a person of your interest. Tingnan natin. Four of Cups. Yeah, merong panghihinayang sa tao na to. Kung sino man to. Maybe this is your ex. Okay. The person in your past. Okay. Four of Cups. Bakit Four of Cups? Yeah, Page of Wands. Yes. Ano to? Parang gusto makipag-communicate sa'yo, no? Gusto makipag-usap, gusto kang tawagan. Pero parang hindi siya ganun ka-confident sa sarili. Hindi siya ganun ka-confident na mag-take ng action towards you. Pero naiisip ka niya. Okay? Or yung iba sa inyo, nag-imagine about the two of you. Okay? Page of Wands. Yeah, the Chariot. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba gustong puntahan ka. Okay? Or bisitahin. Or maybe this person is thinking about you, dreaming na puntahan mo siya, makikipag-usap ka sa kanya. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, Aries. Ace of Cups. Bakit Ace of Cups? Ano to? Ace of Cups. Yeah, Two of Wands. Yeah, nag-imagine talaga, no? Parang may plans siya sa inyo, Aries. I mean, gusto niyang i-move further yung plans niya with you. Or gusto niyang makipag-usap sa'yo, makipag-communicate. Pero for now, parang hindi niya magawa. Parang lagi lang siyang nag-imagine, naalala ka, okay, dreaming about you. Yeah. Parang he or she is also hoping na may feelings ka pa sa kanya. Okay. Two of Wands. Ten of Cups, yes. Imagining na okay ang relasyon ninyong dalawa. Maybe siguro yung iba nag-iisip na siguro kung nagkatuluyan kayo or okay kayo, siguro may family na kayong dalawa. Okay? But parang may nangyari before na hindi maganda. That's why merong separation or endings or ending ng relasyon. Okay? Yeah, maybe this person is really imagining to have a family with you. Okay? Page of Pentacles. Bakit Page of Pentacles? Temperance. Six of Wands. Okay, maybe you are dealing with a fire sign. Sagittarius or a Leo. Okay? So, parang tinitemper niya lang ang kanyang emosyon. But really, gusto kanyang, gusto niyang kumontak sa inyo. Yeah. Gusto niya i-validate, no? Kung kamusta ka at kung anong nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Okay? He or she is being also patient of the situation. Death or rebirth? Bakit death or rebirth? Why? Clarify please. Yeah, King of Cups. Mahal niya. Siguro mahal mo to talaga, yung tao na to. Okay? But then again, parang may kailangan siyang patunayan if ever man na makipagrelasyon ka uli sa kanya or i-open mo yung heart mo sa kanya. Okay? But for you, this person, meron kang ending sa relasyon na to, sa tao na to before. Okay? Bakit King of Cups? Four of Pentacles. Yeah. Yeah, parang kinokontrol mo din yung self mo na makipag-usap or kinokontrol mo yung feelings mo towards this person. So, parang sinasabi mo sa tao na to na if ever kung babalik siya sa inyo or i-continue yung relationship ninyo, kailangan niya mag-level up. Okay? Kailangan niya magpakita ng maturity. Okay? Yeah. Yung totoo or seryosong relasyon na. Okay? Yung parang may plans about you. May plans sa'yo. Okay? Eight of Cups. Yeah. So, ito yung naging challenge, ano? Maybe this person, parang babaero before. Okay. Parang hindi ganun ka consistent or determined sa'yo. Hindi ganun ka seryoso. That's why merong separation or moving on. Okay. Yeah, Ten of Swords. That's why merong separation. Okay? Or breaking up. May break up na nangyari between the two of you. Between sa inyong dalawa. Because of someone is not that consistent or seryoso. Okay? Seryoso sa relasyon. Maybe this person is a player. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo. Just take what resonates for you, Aries. Sometimes it is the other way around also. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, nakafocus ka ngayon about sa work mo. Okay. Na if ever kung ang tao na to ay mag-offer sa'yo or mag-propose or makipagbalikan sa inyo, parang kailangan mo munang tingnan bawat anggulo, okay? Kung ano talaga yung intention niya sa inyo. Kung seryoso pa siya or yeah, pang matagalan na ba or hindi. Okay? So, you will be evaluating him or her. Ang kanyang intention towards you. Okay? Or this person ba ay capable na ba sa'yo na mag-offer ng something something serious na relationship. Okay? A commitment. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Yeah, Nine of Cups. Bakit kaya Nine of Cups? Yeah, Page of Swords. Okay. Yeah. Aries, kailangan mo rin siguro gumawa ng research or mag-spy or kumuha ng information if this person is with another person. Okay? Yeah. Kailangan mo ng validation. Yeah. Yeah, maybe this person is also getting information about you. If you are in the relationship na ba or hindi pa. Okay? So, kailangan ng validation of validation mo kung ano yung nangyayari sa tao na yon, okay? Kung meron na ba siyang ibang family or nasa happy relationship pa siya or hindi. Okay? Because you just want to make sure and you just want to protect yourself. Yeah. Or maybe Aries, for some of you, you are already engaged. Yeah, and this person is bumabalik sa inyo or nagpaparamdam ulit. Okay? Yeah. Maybe you are already in a happy partnership or relationship. Okay? Tingnan natin, hidden truths from your person. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. I hope that you can forgive me one day. Okay. One more. I hid who I really am from you. Tingnan natin. Additional message for Aries. Okay. Aries. Yeah. If ever that this person will come to you to propose, okay, or gusto niya magkaroon ng commitment with you, gusto niya mag-engage with you, okay, get information first, okay, for some of you. Okay. You need validation also. ng kanyang ginagawa towards you. Ano yung intention niya? Passion. A magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present. Enjoy it. Okay. Time. You are trying too hard. Give it time. Okay, Aries. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you. Maraming salamat. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!